This is a sponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own. If you're having a hard time keeping cool in your house this summer, you might want to consider a portable air conditioner. Even if you have central air conditioning, a portable unit gives the ultimate flexibility to make any room in your house cooler whenever you need it. Although I have central air conditioning in my two-story house, there are definite places that don't get cool enough. For example, we need to make the downstairs extra cold in the evening, just so it's comfortable enough to sleep in the bedrooms upstairs. Installing a second AC zone would certainly help that problem, but it's a very expensive option. But the hottest room in my house was the sunroom, which was built as a 3-season porch, meaning I didn't run any ducts from my existing HVAC system. On nice days, we would just open the windows and enjoy the fresh air. But New Jersey summers are brutally hot and humid, so we usually leave the windows closed and use a fan to blow in cool air from the house. That worked okay most of the time, except when it was over 90 degrees outside. When Midea contacted me to review their portable air conditioner, it was a perfect opportunity to see what it could do with our sunroom. Now this model is 8,000 BTUs and recommended for rooms up to 100 square feet. It comes with everything you need, including a remote control and Wi-Fi connectivity, so it can be controlled via smartphone app or Amazon Alexa. Portable air conditioners vent warm, moist air out the window through a flexible tube. This model can be installed in hung or sliding windows up to 48 inches wide or tall. Now my sunroom windows are taller than 48 inches, so I had to hack it with a piece of plywood 1/2 inch thick, and I painted it white to look nice. Naturally, the included weather stripping was too short as well, so I'll need to get my own. The vent hose came with 2 adapters that snapped on each end, one connected to the window slider, and the other to the back of the unit. The hose was generously long, so I collapsed it down to fit my space. The unit has a digital control panel on top that lets you set the temperature, mode, fan speed, timers, etc. The display is a little hard to see in the daytime, but I guess that's so it wouldn't be overly bright in a bedroom at night. My favorite feature is the swing button that causes the front louvers to oscillate, and it prevents cold spots in the room. All those functions are also accessible from the comfort of your easy chair using the included remote, which, by the way, even came with batteries. This model also has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can control it from the Midea smartphone app anywhere in the world. And if your hands are busy, you can just use your voice. Alexa, turn on the air conditioner. So how effective was it at cooling my sunroom? Well, I tested it on one of the hottest days of the year. It was 98 degrees outside. The sun was blazing, and there was no breeze. The Midea was cooling around 61 degrees, and the exhaust air was a whopping 108. The unit was running continuously to keep the room around 81 degrees, but it was comfortable. Keep in mind, this 8,000 BTU air conditioner is only recommended up to 100 square feet. My sunroom is around 300 square feet and surrounded by glass, so I was really impressed. All in all, I was really surprised at how easy it was to hook up this air conditioner and how well it worked in this space. I'm sure it would work in any of the other bedrooms in my house as well. You can get this Midea air conditioner on Amazon using the link in the video description. There's also a discount code there that can get you an extra 15% off for a limited time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.